Namaste, fellow travelers and wanderlust seekers. Welcome to our virtual journey through the captivating tapestry of India's most enchanting destinations. In this exhilarating expedition, we are embarking on an unforgettable odyssey to unveil the top 10 must-visit places that define the soul of India. From the majestic pink city of Jaipur, where history and heritage intertwine seamlessly, to the serene backwaters of Kerala, where nature and culture dance in perfect harmony. And the breathtaking landscapes of Leh Ladakh, where adventure meets tranquility at every turn. We'll immerse ourselves in the spiritual heart of Varanasi, where rituals and traditions illuminate the Ganga's banks. And explore the dynamic energy of Mumbai, India's pulsating financial and cultural hub. Cut to a picturesque view of Udaipur's lakeside palaces and the serene waters. As we wander the romantic streets of Udaipur, the city of lakes, and bask in its regal allure. And let's not forget the sun-soaked shores of Goa, where relaxation, adventure, and revelry come together in harmony. And witness the artistic marvels of Khajuraho, a living testament to India's rich cultural heritage. And finally, we'll delve into the vibrant heart of India's capital, Delhi, a melting pot of history, architecture, and modernity. So, fellow adventurers, join us as we embark on a visual voyage to uncover the essence of India's diverse and captivating treasures. Whether you are a history enthusiast, a nature lover, or a cultural explorer, India has something extraordinary to offer. Let's dive into the wonder that is India.